Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing a carbon fiber wing on my base Lancer that has the Evo conversion kit on it. Also, to go along with carbon fiber wing, I picked up these window vents off Facebook Marketplace for $30. Now, they do sell these on like eBay and stuff like that, but they're like a couple $100, and for a window vent that really doesn't serve any purpose other than looks, I wasn't gonna spend a couple $100 on something that does nothing. Pick those up, so we're gonna be installing those as well on my Lancer today. Also, we're gonna be installing, like I said, which is the main video, carbon fiber wing. Now, it is a little bit aggressive, so I don't know how long I'm gonna actually be running it for on my car, but I did think it was pretty cool and something different to just throw on my car instead of having the Evo wing on my Lancer here, because as you guys may know, I did the Evo conversion kit on this car, rear and front bumper, so I thought it would look pretty cool and kind of aggressive on it, but I am still happy with it. I did film this video over a year ago though, so this is an old video, so enjoy the video, guys. Alright guys, so we got the car back in now. We have some more room. There's only 3 bolts on this wing. Over here, it also has 3, but unfortunately they're in different spots. One over there. I'm gonna have to drill it out eventually, but first I want to fix up this wing. As you guys can see, it's dirty. Like I said, this guy did run it in the winter, so has a little bit of rust coming on these bolts. Want to be cleaning up those bolts, and also this could use a coat of paint, so I'll probably be taking that off too and painting that. Then we'll get into installing it. So before we get into that, we're gonna actually paint up, take the wing apart and paint it up. Alright, that they're all sanded and ready to go, it's time to paint them. Adhesive promoter to help the paint stick, and then we're just gonna hit it with some good old black paint. Alright, well that's drying. I'm gonna be taking off the old wing while I'm waiting. Original wing, as you can see, it is chipping in some spots. Does need to be repainted if I do decide to go back, but let's just get taking this off. There you go. 2 down. There you go. Little quick clean. Now my question for you guys is what look do you guys like best? The no wing look? I mean, it does look cool. Definitely not my style, but I can see why some people would definitely rock this. Question for you guys are definitely gonna have to let me know down below which look is the best. Now that the bolts are all dry, this thing looks way better than it did before. Glad I did paint that and decide to take it apart. It's just time to put this all back together. Gonna have to clean these ones up pretty good, but as you can see, that one was really starting to rust and on there. That's why we're doing this, to clean up that. Also, if you guys are wondering what stuff I'm using to get rid of the rust off the wing and off the bolts before I sand it, I'm using this stuff. It's really good stuff. It works for a lot of buildup of iron or any type of spots before it starts rusting too bad, you can use this stuff and it will help get rid of the rust off the bolts. So while we're waiting for the paint to dry, we're gonna install these vent things. Roll down the window, just like that. But the bolts are dry now, so they look a million times better than it did before. So let's just get into installing this side and then finally installing it on the car. Alright guys, it is all put together now. I guess I never actually showed you guys what the wing looked like. Universal wing, so if I wanted to put it on any other car, I could do that too. You can move these in, out, whatever you want. Like I said, it's universal, which is pretty cool. And as for the bolts I'm going to be using, I went to the hardware store and picked up some of the washer on each side, one in the trunk and then one on the outside of the wing, and the nut on the end, and it will hold down the wing. Final result. That looks really good. Woo! Wow. That's all I have to say. Alright guys, you ready to see my favorite part? With the taillights on, God, that's aggressive, boys. Alright guys, that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was really fun to make and just trying to get back into videos. I know it probably wasn't my best video, but I'm really trying to get back into making videos and make better content. But as you guys can see, the wing is on. I think it looks pretty cool. You guys are definitely gonna have to let me know down below what you guys think of this wing. But like I said, I'm really happy with the way the wing turned out. I think it looks pretty aggressive on the car, and I like it. I'm gonna keep it for a little bit. Like I said, I don't know how long, but I'm definitely gonna keep it for a little bit. Instead of me rambling, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like I said, let me know if you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on my next video, whenever that may be. See you guys on my next video. Peace.